guys, welcome to a new vlog. Vlog. So we are starting this vlog unboxing. I'm expecting another package, so this vlog is going to be full with a lot of unboxing. Particularly very excited about this one, and it's a new ring light. Ooh, fancy. Whoa, you guys. So, thanks for your patronage. Ring light. My ring light is you guys. I love it has a charger, has a mirror. This is what I love about this, and it has the phone holders, for the thrifted clothes haul. Let's start with this brand. These are Instagram brands. I'm going to link them in the description box. All these link them in the description box. I hope I remember. Or I'll put the name of the Instagram page on my screen. This particular one, I bought my stuffs, right? And before they could get to me, it took her 2 weeks. I had to be shouting, sending her messages. At a point, I got angry and I told her, I don't want the money, I don't want the clothes, she can keep it to herself. And there was no apology, nothing. All of a sudden I received a message that my shipment has been sent to me. I bought this leather pants from her. I got this pants, it's in the size 16. Next is this bomb shorts. I got it in a size 16. They are thrifted. They are very cheap. I think maybe I got this one 4,500. This one 3,000. I can't remember. I'm just guessing. I told you it's been long. The next package is from another brand I've always been buying. If you are very curvy or you're thick, this lady is your plug, but her things are very expensive. I picked a lot of stuff from her. It's a jumpsuit now. Yeah, I picked up these things because I like casual wears to go out. I don't like my clothes, they are boring. I don't even have casual wears. I want to work on it. So I picked this jumpsuit. It's opened, it's stretchy a little bit, it's short sleeved, it has this belt detail, and it's from New Look. I got this short dress. It's a cold shoulders dress. It's floral and it's short, so it's cold shoulders. I love the floral prints. It's in what size? There are no sizes to them. I picked up this gown also. It's like a leopard print. It's like a leopard print kind of. The arms are a little bit tight, but I really love it. It's very long and flowy, and it gives this little shaping to the body. I really love this one so much. The next one I got here is this top. This gown is extremely short. It's my least favorite because it's quite shapeless and it has no front to it. I plan to just wear it around the house to lounge. The next is this beautiful, pretty denim kind of, but not denim material. It's from New Look. I didn't even call the brand of the other one. It's a cold shoulders, off-shoulder gown, and it's short, but I like it. It's kind of my style. It's very comfortable and it's very free. I really like. Yes, the next thing I bought it if I'm going to the pool side, you know, if you are going to the pool, to the beach or something. I just liked it, so I got it. It's a little play suit. It's a band of gypsies. So I saw it, I picked it up, I really liked it. So that's it for my mini little haul. Let's get on with the rest of the vlog. Welcome. So another package just came in. It's from a brand called Shapes by Nenye. Shapes by Nenye. And they are thrifted. These are my thrifted activewear workout clothes, because I want to be serious with workouts and I don't have workout clothes, so that kind of make me not feel cute. I'm not motivated to work out. I make it as an excuse. And she sells really cute workout clothes, and you can pay, like you can keep depositing. If she uploads, I pick this and I pay. She uploads again, I keep it. When I was satisfied, I'll still buy from her. When I was satisfied, I told her to send them down. Her stuff sells out like fast. It was difficult picking. If I just pick this one, I say sold out, pick this one, sold out. It was very difficult. but I was able to be lucky enough to get some because they are very cheap. They are good quality. You can even see a lot of Gymshark outfits there, but I couldn't get my hands on them. Before I want to buy, it sold out, and they're so affordable. It's up and down, and each, wow, so nicely packed. See the way she packed it, so nicely. I'm going to leave their names of all these places on the screen. I'm the queen at finding them. I think I picked up 5 gym outfits. Let me quickly put them on and we'll look at it together. Okay, so you guys, this is the first one. I got. This is the first time I'm having active wear. Woo! This is what the back looks like. The pants is a little too big for me. I think I'm a size 14 and I got some in size 16 because I told you it's very hard to shop with her. She sell out when she's uploading. People are buying. So for the first time, I was only able to get my hands on a size bigger. The top is okay, but you can see this is a little too big for me. You guys, this is another one. It was very hard getting into this one. This is the smallest size. This is size 12. It was quite a struggle fitting into it, but I love this. I love it so much. It has this detail. I don't know how else. It has this detail which I love so much. I really love this one. I love the way it hugs my body, but it's very, very tight. And I feel I even prefer it to the bigger one. I don't want others, but I don't know why I feel like this is going to be my favorite. You guys, this is another one. This is a size 14, which is my size. It wasn't a struggle putting it on at all. This is not high-waisted, kind of. I'm not sure whether I like this one, but tell me what you guys think. See my back rolls. I'm still cute though. Tell me what you guys think. This is what the back looks like. It also has some cute detailing here. And again, my big tummy saying hi to you. Anyways, size 16 now. Size 16. Size 14. So that's it for my haul. I hope you enjoyed the haul. Tell me which was your favorite below. Which sizes do you think I should buy more? Size 14, size 16, but I think I like size 12 and size 14 is not really bad. There are no jiggles while walking out, but the 16 has some spaces here and there, although the other 16 was better. So if you are looking for where to buy active wear in Nigeria, or even if it's not even Nigeria, because these things are cheap, I bought each for 4K, and you could buy in bulk. She keeps it for you when you're ready, you ship it. That's what I did. I would have gone on, but it's the first time, so I really wanted to see what the quality were. If it's something I want to keep on buying from her, and I really love the quality, they're very good quality. They're like very popular brands, and for the fraction of the price, they're in good quality. Like, they look so new, and they're well packaged and handled well. Plus Why won't you just want to buy? Get in your exercise. Do your exercise. Says it helps your skin, your mind, your mental health, your productivity. It has so many positive things. So, like I said, it's Shapes by Nenye is the name of the brand. I put it on the screen, the Instagram, whatever on the screen, and her phone number. I'm heading out to the market to buy a couple of business stuff plus home stuff plus stuff for my new pet I'm waiting for. I just hope I'm doing the right thing, getting a pet. Anyways, I'm not going to take you guys to the market because I'm buying a lot of stuff and it's going to be crazy and I don't feel like vlogging. The sun is going to be hot. I'm going to be walking. It's just a frustrating journey. I'm going to check in with you guys probably tomorrow.